first come out to speak their minds. In the Manu Hidi will give their reply, no matter what the occasion. Whether somebody's passed on, I'm waiting on that just aging. Mara is the staging. This is as formal as it gets. Show harm, respect for each other. Don't forget a why I talk to your speech, brother. That's sweet cause we all know a little bit of Kappa Haka. Tribal roots run deeper than you can manage or even imagine. Tapu ass but can be damaged, yeah.
Listen directly from your ancestors. They're in your blood, they're in your bones. When you travel to a distant land, you're gonna take a piece of home that'll resonate deep in your soul.
Yeah, welcome down my life. It's out to the wide. It's the place where I'm from, the place I belong, the place where my ancestors roam. Welcome down my life. It's out to the wide. It's the place where I'm from, the place I belong, the place where my ancestors roam. No matter if you come from near or far, we all know the code, papa. Where your roots are drawn to your fucker, papa. You never fall for the future without your past, without the why do of you took up a new pa. Hongi and kihi, know my heart and mind to the final behind the scenes. Mahi up in the fire kai. It comes to no surprise, Marty, you're multi-talented, keeping the balance between our art, crafters and battlers.